Today, there's someone you must meet. Jesse, a graduate of one of my boot camps, has successfully combined the art of pickup and online dating and elevated the dating game to a whole new level. Just imagine being able to chat up girls from the comforts of your own home, to understand the science behind being successful in online dating, never fearing rejection or getting a friend zone. But hey, before I ruin the surprise for you guys, I'm going to hand it over to Jesse, who's going to blow your mind with what he has discovered. Over to you, buddy.
Hey guys, Jesse here. I know you're probably dying to find out what this is all about. After all, this program is recognized as one of the best in meeting, seducing, and bringing women, all from the comfort of your own home. By the way, before all that, there's one thing you must do. Hold your smartphone up, give it a kiss, and repeat after me. Thank you, buddy, for everything you're about to do for me. Because your phone has just become your best friend. Heck, it's become your best friend, wingman, matchmaker, pimp, everything power-packed in one little gadget. But before we go any further, let's be perfectly honest with each other. You're probably here because you just haven't had any luck meeting women. Maybe you tense up when talking to a hot girl. Maybe approaching random women on the street or in a nightclub just isn't your cup of tea. But the one thing I do know, you want exactly what I want. To know how to confidently chat up women without fear of rejection or humiliation. You know the cheat codes in games? The ones where you can enter some special codes and get some abilities or gives you new weapons or more health? I'm talking about those which put you in God mode, making you virtually invincible. I'm about to hand you those abilities when it comes to picking up women. In short, you cannot and will not fail. But there are 3 things you need to know beforehand. This will not work for you if you want to try to pick up women using corny one-liners like, "Nice clothes, can I talk you out of it?" This will not help you if you're already successful taking women home on most nights. This is also not for you if you're too afraid to make positive changes in your life and make yourself more attractive to everyone around you. So if you're not serious about being the most amazing online chick magnet, which literally will have women begging to want to know you better, you need to leave now. And if you're one of the few lucky ones who managed to jump on board with this program, here are some of the secrets that this will empower you with. The LAY formula, which when used correctly makes you instantly irresistible to any woman online. The panty remover approach, which once mastered removes all possibility of rejection. Your lonely days are over, starting now. Drop the F-bomb. With this method, you'll make a girl wet by helping her imagine herself f***ing your brains out before you even meet her in person. The text seduction technique, where you learn how to use texting as your very own secret emotional and sexual remote control. Turn her on, drive her wild, make her beg for more regardless if you're at work, in a car, or even with another girl. The TNA trap, which when set makes any woman unconsciously think about you and get magnetically attracted to you just from looking at your profile. Learn to identify a woman's invisible desires. Find out how to approach any woman online and know exactly what to say to send her into a sexual overdrive, making her want to talk to you, be with you, force herself onto you. This really is the type of program which holds nothing back. I'll be honest here, it'll take a while to learn, practice, and master. But over the next 2 weeks, you'll be steadily transformed and start getting mind-blowing results. Look, forget about those so-called pickup artists who promise you 100% success immediately and betting 3 girls every night. Those guys are all hot air and no substance. Instead, what you'll be getting is simply results, results, results. From PF, the text, voicemail, and call templates. Freaking golden if you ask me. You just copy and paste and see results. From Ben J. In the end, I wanted beautiful, high-quality, interesting, and adventurous women in my life, and now I have them. Thanks. From Joey W. The techniques work, period. If you are looking for a boot camp where you can see the impossible happen, this is the boot camp to take. From Gary H. I never thought I could hashtag close a 9 or 10 blonde. It blew my mind. Now, the amazing thing about this program is that there are literally thousands of guys who have already used this and found out just how amazing life can be when used to connect and create sexual desire with hot, intelligent, sexy women. By the way, it doesn't matter if you're broke, short, fat, bald, or possess absolutely zero sense of humor. Now you too will be able to avoid that dreaded one single emotion that could utterly destroy your chances with her in a heartbeat. Get a woman hooked and sleep with her within a week. Make her see you as a dominant male, the type she's been craving for all this while. Master the science behind female psychology so you can think like her in order to get with her. Double or even triple your matches online with this one dirty little secret. Rediscover simple tricks you used back in kindergarten to draw hordes of women like a moth to a flame. Employ these 6 elements of attraction in your online profile to elevate your social eligibility instantly. Yeah, I get it a lot. This is absolutely the best program anyone would ever need in order to meet women online and get them to sleep with you. What happens after she agrees to meet you in person? Forget about getting cold feet and being nervous. Forget about making a poor first impression. Forget about wondering if you'll even get to hold her hand or kiss her on the first date. Here's some of the mind-blowing techniques in our bonus modules. Create instant attraction the moment she lays her eyes on you for the first time. The 3-step seduction routine, which is going to make her connect with you despite how you look, and then lead them to lust for you, and finally, believing that it's destiny for you both to be together. With Vocal X, you'll be able to use your voice and words to control her emotions, relaxing her, turning her on, and making her deliriously happy. The first kiss is always the most important one. Remember the saying, take her breath away? Learn how kissing is done properly. She'll be literally begging you for more. Master role-playing. She'll feel like being your girlfriend even if it's your first night out. The only way to touch her. This will leave her longing for more. A lot of people believe this technique shouldn't be revealed, but hey, screw them. And a whole bucket load more underground techniques where that came from.